Welcome back to GearUpWindows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to set video wallpaper on Windows 11 or 10 machine using VLC Media Player. For this, first install VLC Media Player on your Windows PC, then launch the application using a start menu or desktop shortcut. Then click on this one media option, then click on this one open file option. Select the video you want to set as a desktop wallpaper and then click on this one OK button. After that, click on this one video option and here you will find set as wallpaper option. Just check this option and you will see your desktop wallpaper has been set as your video. That means video will be background of your PC in case you will you want to open any application, just press Windows key on the keyboard and then you can launch any application or your PC, such as just like this you can use it. And to exit the video as wallpaper, just right click on this one and select here a stop option. This will immediately remove video wallpaper from your desktop. That's all about this video. If you are new to our channel GearUpWindows, kindly subscribe it, and if you love this video, press thumbs up. Bye bye.